Up for sale, I got a 1959 Impala, finished in factory correct black with red factory interior, powered by 348 tri-power, 4-speed, power brakes with front disc, drilled and slotted rotors. I'm going to walk around it, tell you a little bit more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up, and then drive it. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Like I said, 59 Impala, original black. The chrome bumpers are in excellent condition. The little chrome trim is in pretty nice condition. There's a little bit of scuff marks on it here and there, but overall very nice. And then the paint's really nice as well. Like I said, I'll show you some of the flaws when I get to them. Factory correct hubcaps. Big thick white walls, like I said, powered by a 348 tri-power motor. 4-speed manual transmission. Red interior. Like I said, factory correct red interior. A little tiny hole right there. Otherwise, the interior is in very nice condition, front and back, with correct carpet in very nice condition. Correct floor mats, which is a nice little touch. Very nice dash. Just a little bit of pitting, interesting enough, probably original, this part. And then this part just has a little bit of pitting, so just those kind of little pieces of chrome on the interior were overlooked. I love the style of the 59. The glass is in very nice condition. There's a little stone chip on the back passenger window. I will point it out when I get to it. A couple little dings right there on the trim. But again, the black chrome, back chrome bumpers are very nice. It has very nice sounding dual exhaust. I never really realized how different the wings on a 59 are compared to the ones on a 60. Taillights are different, very unique as well. The trunk is finished with its correct mat and like little cardboard inserts on the sides of the trunk. Like I said, not too many flaws on the car. You know, it's just a little stuff here and there, like maybe it's a little rough in there. Certain things like that, but overall there's no chips, no scratches, no rust coming through. There's that little chip, little stone chip. I don't know what happened there. Door panels look recently replaced, as well as the carpet. You know, it's a little surprising about that one little hole on that side, but the seats look to be pretty new. So maybe they've just been nicely maintained, taken care of over the years. The car runs and drives excellent though. It fires right up. So, like I said, 59 Impala, finished in correct black, red interior, 348 tri-power 4-speed, power brakes with front disc, drilled and slotted rotors. We're going to fire it up now and then we'll take it around the block. nextgenclassiccars.com and my eBay store. Both links will be below in the description. Thank you. Like I said, 348 tri-power. Starts like that every time. Few clicks and a jump. Very smooth running. Sounds great.